In this video, I'll show you how to buy items in Roblox Marketplace. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, I just created my Roblox account and I want to buy some items right here in Roblox. So if you look on here, you see there is a lot of items here I can buy if I have some Roblox with me. And look at this, I got just 0, right? Because I just created this account. And I'm going to show you how you can buy items right here. So what you need to do, you need to get the Roblox subscription, right? That is the Roblox Premium. So to get that, you need to click on this buy Roblox, right? So we want to buy some Robux for our Roblox account, and you can use it to purchase some items here on Roblox Marketplace. So if you scroll down, you can see enjoy up to 25% more Roblox, right? So I'll scroll down, I'll click on this get premium. And from the premium, you can see that it's $9.9 a month, right? So you need to make payments on this Roblox, right? So if we buy it now, it would renew on January 1st, 2025. That is $9.9, approximately $10. So to make this happen, you can come on here. You can use your credit card, you can use your debit card, your PayPal account, or you can redeem your Roblox card to make payments, right? So once you are done, you confirm the transactions, and that is how you can get your Robux, right, in this your Roblox account, so as you can purchase some items and some games as well. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.